Hello friends, welcome to ClassSkill. This is Amit Kumar Ghosh, Senior Trainer of ClassSkill. Today we will discuss about one of the most important concept of digital marketing, that is SEO. Okay, so if you want to learn about SEO, first of all we need to know how search engine works. How search engine works. Okay, so first of all, if you actually what is the full form of SEO? All of we know that the full form of SEO is search engine optimization. So here we need to know how search engines work. And if you want to ask a question, what are the search engines? So first of all, I want to clear the concept of search engines. Actually, search engines are special software, or we can say these are some special applications by which we can search our queries, like Google, like Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and all. And there are also many other search engines in all over the world. So about 85% people in all over the world, and we can say about more than 90% of people from India are using Google as their search engine. But But if you want to learn about SEO, first of all, we need to know how these search engines work. So in this video, I will describe how this search engine works. So in this slide, you can see I have mentioned 7 steps of the method of search engine. I mean, working method of search engine. In look at the first steps, this one is discovery. And in second steps, you can see this is crawling. And third step, it is indexing. And in fourth stage, you can see this is called processing. And in fifth stage, this is calculating relevancy. And in sixth step, it is describing result. And in seventh step, it is recalling and updating. So I will explain all the 7 steps in this video. So to explain how search engine work, I need to make a diagram. I need to draw a diagram. So please focus on the diagram. So in this diagram, you can see there are 5 circles. So this one is the big circle. So we can consider it as our search engine. Okay. Suppose let assume that this is Google, and all the all the small circles are different websites available in the web. And you can see a rectangular in this in the big circle. I mean in the search engine. Actually, this one, the big circle is actually you have to assume that the big circle is a search engine like Google. Here we are here we are taking the example of Google. So so the big circle is Google, and there is a rectangular inside Google. Okay, this rectangular is called crawler. Crawler. Okay, Google crawler. Sometimes we call this rectangular or call this crawler as Google Vote. Google Vote. And sometimes we also call this crawler a spider. Spider. Sometimes we call this crawler as as a spider. Okay. So first of all the websites, those are connected. Those are connected with Google. Is discovered by Google. I mean, how these websites are connected with Google? After creating, after creating or building a website, we need to integrate our website with Google. Okay, otherwise your website will not be ranked Whenever you will create a website, if you want to rank it on Google, then you need to integrate your website with Google, one of the most important Google's tool, Google Search Console. So through Google Search Console, Google can find out your website or Google can discover your website. Or if you have any URL, if you have, if you already have some URLs or some links on some website, those are already integrated with Google. Google can discover your website from those links also. So this is the first step of of uh, of working method of Google. Now, in second step, I have already mentioned to you, Google has a special system that is called Google Bot or Google Spider or Google or crawler. This crawler mainly mainly visits to your website, to all the websites, time to time. Okay, so Google crawler will come to this website or visit this website, and it will scan or fetch all the information, all the data available in this website. This method is called crawling. This method is called crawling. This is the second step of working method of Google or a search engine. So in second step, Google crawler or Google bot, this is a special types of software that will visit all the websites, and those are integrated with Google, and it will fetch or scan all the data available in those websites. This method is called crawling. After fetching those information or after fetching those data, Google will Google will store it store it in their database. This is a database. This is a database. This is a, you can say, this is a giant database. This is a huge database. In this database, Google can store data of billions of websites. So now, suppose Google caller has visited this website and it scan or paste that all the data of this website through crawling, and it will capture all the data and it will save or store all the data that are available on this website. Again, Google will go to this website, Google crawler will go to this website, and it will fetch or scan all the data that are available in this website. And it will save all the data that has captured during its crawling process. Google will go to this last website and it will again fetch or scan all the data available on this website in Google database. So this is the second step. This step is called indexing. This step is called indexing. Indexing means saving or storing all the data that Google has captured through its crawling process. Now the third step will come. In third step, let's assume that a user of Google is searching a keyword, like is searching for a t-shirt. Okay, a t-shirt. Then what will Google do? Google already have Google already have information or data of billions of websites. Then Google will start to find out all the content that are available in their database. So this process or this procedure is called processing. Processing. Now, now after processing the data, now Google will try to no, sorry. After processing the data, Google will calculate the relevancy of all the data. Those are already stored in Google's database. So Google has some algorithms. According to these algorithms, Google will calculate the relevancy of all the data those Google already has stored in their database. So this process is called calculating relevancy. So this process is called calculating relevancy. In this process, what exactly Google does? In this process, Google will calculate the relevancy of all the data. Those are available in Google's database according to Google's algorithm. So now this is the sixth step and very important step. In this step, Google will show you the result. So how exactly Google shows the result? After calculating relevancy, Google will rank the most relevant website. Number one. Okay, according to Google's algorithm, the website that has the most relevant content or most relevant information related to or relevant to t-shirt will rank 1. Thereafter, it will rank second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. In this way, Google will rank the website those have relevant results related to or relevant to t-shirts. So this stage is called retrieving result. I will discuss the final step of Google's work. This is rediscovering or updating. Okay. So Google will again discover new websites and it will also again crawl all the websites that are available on Google. In this way, Google and other search engines work. The concept of crawling, indexing, processing, calculating relevancy, and returning result, all the steps are clear to you. Thank you for watching this video and we welcome you to our new YouTube channel. Classskill is an edtech company that mainly provides different kind of courses. You are interested in digital marketing, or if you want to learn about digital marketing, you can enroll in Classskill. So if you want to learn more about Classskill, you can visit our website www.classskill.com. or you can call the number that is mentioned below. Thank you for today. We will meet again with a new topic or new concept.